but you can play it faster if you wish. You can play it faster if you wish. Hey everyone, what's going on? This is a fun arpeggio chord pattern exercise, beginner friendly. I'm going to go ahead and play the first exercise and then break it down and show you. And each exercise will get significantly harder, and don't get too frustrated. You can always come back to it. And by the way, if you like my recent arpeggio videos, hit the thumbs up button because that tells me that I should keep creating them, and it helps out awesome people like you. So here is the first example, parallel with both hands. Second bar. Fourth bar. 3, 4. Okay, so I'll give some musical ideas in a second. The right hand, we have the 1 on G, 3 on B, 5 on D. Back and forth in 4/4 time. We're playing eighth notes. And then the second bar goes to E minor inversion, first inversion. And like a lot of us educator content creators, we have a lot of these videos out there if you want to get into inversions more. And I'm building a small little mini course with chords and inversions because it's fun. And you might take advantage of that down the road. So we have G, and then we have 2 finger on B, 5 finger on E. Third bar, we have C major with the second inversion. So we have G, C, E. So yep, you guessed it, that does not move. And that's really good to start analyzing that so you can really get the flow back and forth. Let's go to the left hand. We have the 5, the 3, and then this is my middle C, by the way. And then we have D, the 1 on D, back and forth. 2, 3, 4, and then we have E minor. 3, I just bring my thumb over, and then to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to G. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to play both hands super slow so you can hear and see what I'm doing. And a quick check with beats. If you notice, the beat is outlined with the outer chord. If we just focus on the right hand, beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4. That's a good way to internalize the music and feel what's going on, especially when you get into rhythm patterns. Here I go, slowly. And if you're ready to use the pedal, you can put that down, each bar. That's E minor. Now to C. Don't forget, YouTube, you can slow it down. This is the 4th bar, back to G. Have fun with it. Once you get comfortable with it, listen to your sound. Both hands should be even, but you can play it faster if you wish. You can play it faster if you wish. 3, 4, 1, 2. And I'm kind of going back and forth with dynamics. And you can add in a top note and all that. But I want to get to pattern 2. Pattern 2 is maybe my favorite. Pattern 2 is what we call contrary motion. So we're doing the same thing here. That's going up. Actually, let's do it this way. The left hand is going up. I have been sick, so my brain is starting to work again. Going up here, and this one will go down. It really doesn't matter, but I'm going to do it this way for now. So we have the same pattern. It could be tricky. So this is what's benefit of doing this. You get finger independence. So you might want to practice really slow. Same fingering, but different directions. E minor. And I want to bring that up a little bit. You can do this. It might be tricky at first. That's a big switch. We have the first measure. And then the second measure, the big switch is with the right hand because we got to get that 2 on B for accuracy. Back, and now C. 2, 3, 4, and now G. All right, now I'll play it a little faster, a little more musical to give you some ideas. Made a little mistake, I'll do it again. 2, 3, 4. helps us breathe with the piano. The dynamics is really important. That soft, medium to loud, really give yourself a chance to breathe. All right, pattern 3, left hand, we're gonna play the root and the third, the G and the B. Third bar is going to be E minor, the root, 5 finger on E, and the first finger on B. And then the third bar is C. We have E and C, fourth bar here. So we're just gonna do quarter notes for now. So beginning goes G and B together, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 3, and now C. Fourth bar to G, 2, 3, 4, and. And I'm happy that you stayed to the end because this might be my favorite one. I came up with this just yesterday, just playing along, kind of just jamming around. Same principle here, but we're gonna play it back and forth broken. So we're gonna kind of do a pattern of 3, but here we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, whoop, 3, and 4, and now C. See if you like it. I'll demonstrate both slowly. 3, 4, A minor. Definitely a finger independence. And you can come back to this if you need to. Okay, I get a gold star for talking and playing. I'll play it a little faster so you can feel it musically. Here I go. All right, let me know if you like this content by hitting that like button as always. I'm still sick. That's all right. And thank you. I am so excited to meet so many new subscribers as of late, and I wish everyone well and keep practicing. It's about enjoying the growth and improving. Remember that. Let's not compare ourselves to anyone else. We're here to enjoy our improvement and sound. Bye-bye.